Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak about organic organization. Introduction of organic organization. Organic organization is a type of informal organization. Originally described by British theory Tom Bird and George Starker. According to Burns and Stark, an organic organization is a one that is very flexible and adaptable to change. Definition: the organic organization is defined as an organic structure where all the employees are placed to equal level. In these types of structure, the interaction and well as communication is horizontal by nature. The organic organization are considered complex because they are a bit difficult to form. What is organic organization? The organic organization is considered flexible and adaptable, and then this is why most suitable where the external environment is unpredictable and tends to change very quickly. It is operated by a network of individuals who are multi-talented and those can efficiently perform several tasks when needed. The organic organization is all about teamwork as the organization encourages group leadership. It means that new several people are entrusted with leadership quality. It is now the responsibility of the group and not a single individual to handle and manage the rest of the employees. The best thing about organic organization is that it takes into account them idea of the employee so that they can feel a part of system. It acts as an innocent of better efficiency, productive and cooperation. The power in an organic organization is decentralization, and there is a lot of informal and formal participation during the decision making process. Boundaries do not bound the knowledge in social reside with anyone who want to use it for the welfare of organic organization. An organic organization is able to adapt to change in the environment relatively easily. It is characteristic by low complexity, low centralization and low formalization. Its opposite is mature organization, which is characterized by high complexity, huge centralization and huge formalization. Organic organization are also known as number one, open organization, number two, organism organization. The characteristics of organic organization are as follow: number one, decentralization; number two, flexible; number three, body defined job; number three, interdependence among unit and employees; number four, employees innovation; number five, easy communication; number six, few and broadly defined regarding rules, process and procedure. Strength of organic organization. The advantages on organic organization as follow: flexible approach, free flow of information, responsibility and teamwork, decentralization authority, fluid workforce, force and unstable environment, feeling of ownership, increase the level of efficiency, enhance creativity, provides relief to the manager. The few examples of companies organic organization. Facebook organization is a varied and traditional organization structure of business. The company structure is adaptable to suit the needs of operation involving information, technology and internet. The company organizations or corporate structure defines the composition and design of the organization to meet its need. Firms have different corporation structure based on the nature and goals on their business. In this business, analyze case of Facebook. Example: the corporate structure is responsible to dynamic of the global online social media market. The nature and characteristics of the company, social network, website and apps and business goals. See Facebook operation vision and mission statement. Partly dedicated to company needs. They need to translate to features of organization structure. That's Facebook used to support its business. The appropriateness of the corporate structure facilitate the company growth and development. The second company is Google. Google Corporation is a great example for organic organization structure based business. Their employees are encouraged to creative problem solving skills and develop new product. The structure of organic organization will indicate how people interact with each other and the relationships of the role in their real life. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.